say that. We need the rain in LA. We need it.
What? Hasn't it rained enough? It has been raining for months. This isn't why I moved to Los Angeles.
We are still in a drought. Don't bring those bad vibes around here.
I know, you're right. I'm sorry.
Please, don't talk badly about the rain. We need it. For the shrubbery, for the greens, for the crops, for our showers. This has been a public service announcement.
And good. Alright.
Oh, fuck! God damn it! This is the last time I work on a non-union set. The rain, there's a fucking